My name's Chad. This is my cooking channel. After I saw Papa John join TikTok, I thought with no culinary experience, it's right on go ahead green light the project to make a deep dish pizza from scratch to honor Papa himself. Today I'm joined by my panel of judges.
Pat from 7-Eleven.
Fuckboy.
Jesus.
And today we're gonna be making a deep dish pizza from scratch.
Chris, I'm so hungry. Please cook the pizza. Cook, Chris.
Chris, this is gonna take a solid.
Chris, hurry the fuck up!
Chris, cook the pizza. I'm so starving.
So now we're gonna start with the crust. The crust consists of 8.5 ounces of room temperature water, some yeast. We just need 1 packet. Now we got our whisk.
Stop making a fucking mess in my kitchen.
Oh, that smells like shit.
Dude, I'm so hungry. Guys, Jesus the judge.
I'm trying, but it's trying to bloom as well.
Jesus
if you would
the
like
judge
it to
a little
bloom, then let it rest for 10 minutes. It's not a long day.
Hey, Chris.
Stop doing it for 10 minutes.
Chris, Jesus,
No.
Jesus is a little pooped right now.
So in a separate bowl, we're supposed to do 12.5 ounces of all-purpose flour. I don't have a scale. I don't know what 12.5 ounces looks like, but apparently it's like 1.5 cups plus 1 tablespoon.
Well, you should be good at math.
Just like grab 12 pinches. Just like 1, 2.
No, a cup is like this big, so you need like one of like.
A cup is this big. This is a
one and a
cup.
half of those.
1.5.
You got woo!
Yes, Shorty. Shorty, eat this shit up.
Yeah,
Chef,
yeah.
Woo!
Yeah! Guys,
He
and
already
every remember tomorrow is a new day.
work like in Hampton. Play like.
I'm glad.
Chris, remember when we said the movie?
Stop spilling everywhere. God damn it.
Guys, I can't.
Do I even need to like level it? Or can I just 1, 2, 3? This is what Gordon Ramsay does. 4. Look at that. 5. So I want.
Ava, shut up so we can get Popeyes.
Okay.
Because you know Chris is gonna try and poison us.
So this is the thing of cream of tartar that we bought for about $3. This is how much we need. That's it. That's all. And if matters don't get any worse, we need a tablespoon and a half of kosher salt. You know how much we got? You know how much we got? This much. This is not okay.
Yes, it is.
This
What's on my head?
this was $3. And I'm still yet to open it. Okay. We're getting somewhere. We need to make this homogeneous.
Hamangioma. Onions are just kind of silly.
Can you hurry this up? I want to go to Popeyes.
You're getting pizza!
But Jimmy said we could go to
I
Popeyes.
just said we're going to Popeyes after this.
If we're good through the video. If we're good.
Just gonna mix this.
Wait, can I make an announcement real quick? Guys, go on SoundCloud, go stream Kaiso Sad. What's his new song?
Watch out.
We forgot.
Go listen
Son of G.
Go listen to Watch Out by Kaiso Sad on SoundCloud right now, today.
Today.
Go stream.
Right fucking now.
Go stream.
Look at this
Go
fucking heat.
stream.
Go stream.
Guys, this is so hard as fuck.
There you go. It is. It's been like 10 minutes, and it is not foaming. Now that we have the flour mixture done, and it's all homogeneous, it's time to add it to the water.
Chris, you look ripped in that chef's outfit.
Chris is
Chris, you look like this right now.
Chris looking ripped as fuck right now.
Chris, you're so sick.
Chris Boyardee.
Chris boy, Chris RD.
So we're gonna add the flour mixture and the yeast mixture. We're supposed to use a bread hook, but I don't have one. I have the standard. We're gonna use it. Here we go. That looks like a mistake. So we're rolling with it. Now we lock it before we turn it on. We lock it. Oh, it's not even powered on. Great. We're adding a third of a cup plus 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And we're not playing any music because I don't want to get copyrighted. That is not right.
This looks like
I did something wrong.
no. This looks like you.
Did I actually do something wrong?
Chris.
What the fuck are you doing?
Fucking up the pizza.
He doesn't know how to make it.
Are you putting Jolly Ranchers in the pizza?
No.
Does it look right?
Chris,
Yeah. What are you making? Stew?
this is why we're going to Popeyes after this. This is why we're going to Popeyes.
You're gonna need a little more flour.
We're just gonna.
It's like even a blind pig finds a mushroom sooner or later.
That much flour.
Chris, you suck.
Wow.
I think you're
Did you
converting
put sugar or flour in there?
sugar and flour. What's not a little bit more cornmeal? Because we all want cornmeal.
Are you trying to poison us, Chris?
Sometimes.
Because I'd like to live.
Honestly, at this point,
Go fuck yourself. We get it.
Woo, woo, woo!
Hey, listen, coffee's gonna make it smell
Chris
better.
fucked up our pizza. It'll be fine. Chris is also taking us to Popeyes.
so we scoop the dough out.
That don't look like going.
Hey, did you wash your hands before you did this?
Of course I washed. I'll sneeze in this. One more comment and I'll sneeze.
We want one thing.
Well, we're taking a quick break.
We're not taking a break. I'm kneading the dough. That is a lot of oil.
Yeah, you fucking idiot.
We let that rise for 60 to 90 minutes? Anyways, since they got Popeyes and I trust my own cooking,
Yes, King!
we're gonna go ahead and make the sauce. One way or another, let's get 28 ounces of tomatoes in here, diced. They actually specified a can, but
You're too lazy to do it.
Well, we're going all natural, guys.
all natural? Is that all natural?
Guys, we going organic, Av. Did you just puke?
I burped.
Chris.
Look at.
Jesus wants to cut one
I'm really
tomato,
good at
Chris.
cutting things. Let me cut one tomato. Okay, move over.
You will get to dice the next tomato.
It's Jesus' time to shine. This is Jesus coming down from the heavens to bless
To
Chris
tell you to go
Ryan.
fuck yourself.
Guys, this is rare footage of Jesus Christ coming into the kitchen. And Jesus says, in the name of the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Tomato. Guys, welcome back to Cooking with Jesus. This is a knife, this is a tomato.
And this is what you don't want to do to Chris. This is
Guys, Chris is gone. This is my show now.
We killed him off.
These are some squishy fucking tomatoes. Guys! Do you see the skin?
Uh-huh.
Look how plump it is. Chris, get the fuck out of Jesus' kitchen. Did you pray before you came in here?
I don't think I prayed hard enough because you showed up. Now we mash the tomatoes.
Tomato lives matter. Tomato lives
Hey,
matter.
fat lives, man.
Did you say fat lives matter?
Yeah, here he is.
Reach!
Anyone want a Nerf dart?
Me.
So the onion goes in. At this point, I can't
Just
really
reshoot
say
it.
I care.
Just reshoot it.
So I kind of added the onion way too early. Few cloves of garlic.
Random
So now that we have everything in the pan and added incorrectly, we just...
Incorrect it is for sure, yeah.
It is. I'm supposed to add both of those ingredients later. See, it's already looking like sauce. Sauce making is very peaceful. That's why we offed all of the donuts. I feel like more garlic, right?
Maybe a little bit more garlic.
So did I do this right? Probably not. That is way more than 1 tablespoon. But that's okay, because cooking is... You like a sweet sauce? You like a sweet sauce? I got a sweet sauce for you. Now we let the sauce rest, as I miss the spatula completely. We go over to the cast iron skillet, and we liberally coat it with oil. That's way too much, probably.
Yeah, dumbass.
Guys, get the spatula.
Now that my hands are oiled, we can properly handle
None of your hands are
the dough. And the dough, let's get a close-up shot. The dough.
Wow.
Oh no. Oh fuck. See, that is dough.
It's okay. Oh, that's.
Oh, it's not that bad.
Yeah.
It didn't rise.
ASMR. Chris forgets the word for the utensil. This is me auditioning for the role of Jesus Christ, hugging Chris McGuire. He's not gonna hug me back. This is so sad.
Look at the oil.
This is
His
so
hands are all
sad.
moving.
Oh, guys, this is so.
He's not touching you. He doesn't want to catch a case.
Boom. There we go. Look at this. That's a. Now I already hear you. All right. The crust is not going to be folded over the top like that in the final product. All right. We're just letting it get used to its new form. All right. Get used to its new way of life. So the sauce is almost ready to go. We take the pizza pie, as Frank Sinatra so famously called it. Was it? Genuinely, it wasn't.
No.
Who was it? So what we do now is we take the pizza crust and we let it set. We set it again for 30 fucking minutes. Alright, it's been the time. Let's assemble everything. We take the provolone cheese and we just we layer it. We layer, thin layer they say. Alright, we take the mozzarella now and we're gonna do a thick layer of mozzarella. Thick. Nice and thick. Now we take the edges and just push it in like that. Now we take the sauce and you take the sauce and you do a little sauce. This actually looks like a deep dish pizza for some reason. I mean, this is a good, that's a heavy pizza. Now what Chef Babish says is you do a layer around.
Even more fat. I love it.
All right, now we go ahead. We put this in the oven for 25 to 35 minutes.
But there's like nothing funny you can do. There was like one funny one that all of them.
So we overdid it a little bit. Boom! It's in the oven. We just wait now. We wait. What's gonna happen? I genuinely I couldn't tell you. So this is the first lick of pizza, and oh wait, actually, that doesn't look bad at all. Judges, I present to you today
The mistake.
deep dish pizza.
Do we all get a piece?
Yes, you all get a piece. That looks disgusting.
This is like cheeks.
It's not too. You heard her. It's not too bad.
You look like a 5-year-old right now.
Zeus is trying to eat the Nerf darts.
Delicious. Okay, guys. Guys.
Honestly, it's really good.
I'm about to taste it.
It's really good. That's why you have to be purposes.
Wait, Jesus, take the wheel.
Jesus is taking the wheel of this piece of pizza. It is really sloppy. That is my impression.
That's what she said.
But that's deep dish.
Jesus fucks with it.
Yes! Well, you heard it here first. I make the best deep dish pizza in Chicago. Oh.
Yo, where the fuck's dessert?